In this video, we listed the 15 best products for a clutter-free home on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Folding Dining Table with Rack. The folding dining table with rack is a versatile and practical furniture piece designed for modern households that value both style and space efficiency. This table features an extendable design, offering 3 different configurations to suit various needs: fully folded for compact storage, semi-extended for casual dining, or fully extended to accommodate more people during gatherings. Key features: space-saving design. The foldable structure makes it an excellent choice for small kitchens, apartments, or multifunctional spaces. Its ability to transform from a compact unit to a full dining table ensures adaptability for different occasions. Integrated storage solutions. Equipped with a rack and 2 storage drawers, the table provides convenient storage for dining essentials like utensils, napkins, or even small kitchen tools. The rack can be used for additional items, adding to its functionality. Movable and portable. The table is designed with mobility in mind, featuring wheels that allow easy relocation within your space. This makes it a flexible option for dynamic layouts or quick adjustments. Product 2. Product name: Elephant's Folding Desk. The Elephant's Folding Desk is a versatile and functional piece of furniture designed for small spaces, offering an ideal solution for home offices, study areas, or compact living environments. This writing computer desk features a foldable design, allowing users to effortlessly set it up or store it away when not in use, making it a practical choice for those who value convenience and space efficiency. The desk requires no assembly, making it highly accessible for immediate use upon delivery. Its sturdy construction and sleek, minimalist design ensure durability and aesthetic appeal, blending seamlessly with modern home decor. The desk is well suited for a variety of purposes, including writing, studying, or setting up a computer workstation. Product 3. Product name: Wall-Mounted Clothes Drying Rack. The wall-mounted clothes drying rack is a practical and space-saving solution for indoor laundry drying. Measuring 40 inches, this rack is designed to accommodate various clothing items, towels, and linens. Its foldable and collapsible design makes it an excellent choice for compact spaces like bathrooms, laundry rooms, or apartments where floor space is limited. Key features: durable construction. Made with high-quality materials, the rack ensures durability and longevity. The white finish complements most interior designs, blending functionality with aesthetics. 6 rods for optimal drying. The 6 rods provide ample space for hanging multiple garments, making it suitable for everyday use or heavy laundry loads. Foldable design. When not in use, the rack folds flat against the wall, ensuring it doesn't obstruct movement or clutter the room. Easy installation. It comes with a wall template for straightforward and precise installation, ensuring a secure fit. Product 4. Product name: Foldable Stackable Storage Bins with Lids. The 3P50QT foldable stackable storage bins with lids are versatile and practical solutions for keeping spaces organized. Designed with functionality and convenience in mind, these bins feature a clear plastic construction that allows easy visibility of contents, reducing the need to rummage through for specific items. Their foldable design makes them space-saving and perfect for environments with limited storage, as they can be compactly stowed away when not in use. Key features: 50 QT capacity, ideal for storing various items, from seasonal clothes and toys to office supplies or garage tools. Stackable design, efficiently utilizes vertical space, allowing for a neat and organized setup in closets, garages, or offices. Latching buckles, secure lids with buckles to ensure contents remain protected from dust, pests, or accidental spillage. Wheeled base, integrated wheels facilitate easy movement, even when fully loaded, making it simple to rearrange or relocate bin. Product 5. Product name: Brookstone Collapsible Laundry Basket. The Brookstone Collapsible Laundry Basket offers a functional and minimalist solution for managing laundry while saving space. With a generous 11-gallon capacity and dimensions of 24 inches, this is Brookstone's largest basket ever, designed to cater to sizable laundry loads. Key features include comfortable non-slip grip handles. These ergonomic handles ensure easy carrying, even when the basket is fully loaded. Collapsible design. The basket can be conveniently folded flat for compact storage, making it ideal for small spaces such as dorms, apartments, or closets. Portable pop-up hamper. The lightweight yet durable construction allows effortless transport, whether you're heading to the laundry room, laundromat, or a different area of your home. Minimalist aesthetic. The modern and clean design blends seamlessly with contemporary home interiors. BPA-free material, manufactured from safe, non-toxic materials, ensuring it's both environmentally conscious and safe for extended use. Product 6. Product name: SpaceAid 7-Tier Rotating Shoe Rack Tower. The SpaceAid 7-Tier Rotating Shoe Rack Tower is an innovative solution for organizing shoes, handbags, and other accessories in a compact and visually appealing manner. This vertical 360-degree rotating storage system is designed to maximize space in closets, bedrooms, or entryways while offering easy access to stored items. Its spinning Lazy Susan-style carousel allows users to conveniently browse through their collection without rummaging through cluttered spaces. Crafted in a sleek white finish, the 7-tier tower can hold multiple pairs of shoes and small handbags, making it ideal for those with a diverse collection. Its sturdy construction ensures stability, while its vertical design makes it a great space saver, particularly in tight areas. Product 7. Product name: OXO Good Grips Dish Drying Rack. The OXO Good Grips Aluminum Fold Flat Dish Drying Rack is a modern and highly functional kitchen accessory designed to maximize counter space while providing efficient drying capabilities. This 2-tier dish drying rack offers ample room for dishes, utensils, and glasses, making it ideal for busy households or compact kitchens. Its sleek aluminum frame ensures durability and resistance to rust, while the included drainboard channels water directly into the sink, keeping countertops dry and clean. Key features include its collapsible design, which allows it to fold flat for easy storage when not in use, making it an excellent space-saving solution. The thoughtful construction caters to various dish sizes, while the slip-resistant feet provide added stability on the kitchen counter. Perfect for users interested in versatile and practical kitchen tools, the OXO Good Grips Aluminum Fold Flat Dish Drying Rack complements modern kitchen setups with its stylish appearance and efficient performance. Product 8. Product name: Reel-In Under Sink Organizer. The Reel-In Under Sink Organizer is a versatile and practical solution designed to optimize storage space in kitchens and bathrooms. This pull-out cabinet organizer features a 2-tier slide-out design, making it easy to access and organize items stored in undersink spaces. The organizer is crafted for both durability and aesthetic appeal, with a clean white finish that complements modern interiors. Key features include efficient storage, maximizes vertical storage space with 2 tiers, perfect for arranging cleaning supplies, toiletries, or kitchen essentials. Slide-out functionality, the sliding mechanism ensures smooth access to items, reducing the hassle of reaching into tight spaces. Sturdy build, made from robust materials to handle everyday use while maintaining stability. Wide compatibility, fits under most standard sinks in kitchens or bathrooms, adapting well to varying cabinet sizes. Easy assembly, comes in a 2-pack, offering value and convenience, and is simple to assemble without specialized tools. Product 9. Product name: Over the Sink Dish Drying Rack. The Over the Sink Dish Drying Rack is a versatile and practical kitchen organizer designed to optimize space and efficiency in your kitchen. This adjustable dish drying rack, with dimensions ranging from 26.8 inch to 34.6, fits comfortably over most standard sinks, ensuring a seamless and clutter-free experience. Key features: large capacity, the 2-tier design provides ample space to accommodate a variety of kitchen essentials, including dishes, bowls, cutting boards, utensils, and more. Adjustable design, the rack's width can be customized to suit different sink sizes, making it ideal for diverse kitchen layouts. Multiple baskets and holders, equipped with various compartments, such as utensil and sponge holders, a sink caddy, and additional baskets. It keeps all items organized and within easy reach. Durable and stylish construction, crafted from sturdy, black-coated metal, the rack is not only robust but also adds a modern aesthetic to your kitchen. Product 10. Product name: Iris Stackable Plastic Storage Bins with Lids. The Iris USA 54-quart stackable plastic storage bins with lids and latching buckles are a practical and versatile solution for efficient organization. Designed for both residential and commercial use, these clear storage containers come in a convenient 6-pack and offer a combination of durability, functionality, and simplicity. Key features: stackable design. The bins are crafted for easy stacking, allowing users to maximize vertical storage space in closets, garages, or storage rooms. Clear construction. The transparent body of the bins provides a quick view of the contents without the need to open the lid, making it easy to locate items at a glance. Secure latching buckles. The lids are equipped with strong latches to securely lock in place, ensuring the contents remain protected from dust, moisture, and pests. Durable material. Made from high-quality, BPA-free plastic, these bins are built to last, making them suitable for storing both lightweight and heavier items. Product 11. Product name: Fab Totes 6-pack Clothes Storage. The Fab Totes 6-pack clothes storage is an ideal solution for organizing and decluttering your home, especially in areas like the bedroom or closet. These foldable, thick fabric storage bags are perfect for storing clothing, blankets, comforters, and other items in need of organization. Made from durable material, the storage containers help maximize space while keeping your items neat and easily accessible. The set includes 6 individual storage bags, each featuring sturdy handles for convenient transport. With its sleek gray design, this product adds a practical, stylish touch to your home's storage solutions. Its foldable feature makes it space efficient when not in use, making it perfect for those who value both organization and convenience in their storage system. Whether you're looking to organize clothing in your closet or store bulky items, the Fab Totes 6-pack clothes storage bags provide a reliable and functional option for all your organizing needs. Product 12. Product name: Undersink Organizer 2-pack. The Undersink Organizer 2-pack is a practical and versatile storage solution, particularly suited for optimizing space in bathrooms. This set includes 2 two-tier sliding cabinet basket organizers that can be placed under the sink or inside bathroom cabinets, offering efficient storage for toiletries, cleaning supplies, or other bathroom essentials. The sleek black design complements modern bathroom aesthetics, while the sliding drawers make it easy to access items without the need for extensive rummaging. These organizers are perfect for maximizing vertical space in smaller areas, ensuring that everything is neatly stored and easily accessible. Ideal for users looking to tidy up their bathroom or enhance organization within limited spaces, the multi-purpose bath collection baskets offer a simple yet effective solution for keeping things orderly. Product 13. Product name: Over the Sink Dish Drainer Drying Rack. The Over the Sink Dish Drainer Drying Rack is an innovative and space-saving kitchen accessory, perfect for keeping your kitchen organized and efficient. This 3-tier rack is made of durable stainless steel, ensuring it can hold a significant number of dishes, glasses, and utensils while being resistant to rust and wear. The adjustable length, ranging from **20.87 foot to 37.6, allows it to fit a variety of kitchen sink sizes, making it versatile and adaptable to different setups. Its sleek black design adds a modern touch to any kitchen counter, blending seamlessly with contemporary home decor. This drying rack is particularly useful for kitchens with limited counter space. By positioning the rack over the sink, it optimizes the space, offering 3 levels of storage for drying dishes. The top level is perfect for large items like pots and pans, while the lower levels can be used for plates, bowls, and cups.